how to change lock screen pin on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen, and on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Next, we tap on screen lock and biometrics. From here, enter in your current PIN. Then we tap on PIN, and now this time enter in your new PIN. So we set up a new PIN, and then tap on continued. Then we enter the same PIN to confirm, and tap on OK. And that's it. Now we have successfully changed the PIN. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.